Welcome. This is how to fix yellow screen on Android. So, guys, to fix this issue, what you could try to do is just simply go ahead and go through the settings into your phone. Now, right over here, you could just simply scroll down and you should be able to see here display. Now, here on the display, you could just simply go ahead and go for the blue filter over here. So guys, if you have a blue light filter, this causes the screen to turn yellow. So make sure that is turned off. And another option is just simply go back through the settings, and then you will just simply scroll down and go for the accessibility. And you will have over here visibility enhancements. So tap on it. So from here, make sure to turn off the high contrast theme, the high contrast fonts, and the color adjustment as well, and color inversion. So guys, from this, we should be able to fix the issue. But if it doesn't, you would just simply go to the software update and make sure to download and install any software update. And after that, just simply go ahead and update your system, and this might fix your issue.